Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be trying a new slime recipe from Kawaii Toy Collector. So don't forget to subscribe, like, hit the notification bells and comment. Let's get started. So the things you're going to need is a cup, some hand wash soap, any type, it doesn't have to be the exact same that I'm using, and a spoon. So use soap. Let's squirt it right in. Okay. When you're done squirting, you're just going to give it a good mix, and here we have it. So to know when it's fully mixed, it's like going to be like kind of stretchy and goopy, and that's really a good thing. You just have to make sure that you mix it properly. Now what you're going to do is refrigerate it for 1 hour to like 2 hours. And here we have it. The slime is all done and is all ready. Just going to lift it out. It's going to be sticky, obviously, because it's slime. And it's no glue slime. In my opinion, it's really sticky, but I'm just going to grab all the slime out of the container. I don't know if I did something wrong, but in my opinion, this slime isn't really slimy. I think it's just like really goopy and messy. And I don't really like the slime. It's just making a big mess, and when I try to pick it up, it's not really that good. So in my opinion, the slime gets 3 out of 5 because it's not really, well, it can be a little bit sticky, it can be a little bit stretchy, but I don't really think this recipe worked. But thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you want to try the slime recipe, go ahead